welcome to the channel 1 Minute Birding. It's been a while since I have shared videos of the new birds in my channel. So it's time to know a wonderful singing bird, common hawk cuckoo. As the name implies, it looks like a hawk, a she-crab, and its traits like flying and landing is also similar to the hawks, and so they got this name. With grey colored body with a broad banded tail and yellow colored eye rings, this bird is a visual trait. This bird is also called as brain fever bird. You may know the meaning of this term after hearing him sing, which will be available in the last part of this footage. Now let's get into the topic. So, common hawk cuckoo is one of the pretty common birds of India. It is a resident of Indian subcontinent and locally migrates during winter. During breeding season, mostly between March and June, we can hear them singing loudly. They start singing even before dawn and end their song at dusk. Their long notes are quite loud and interesting. I always imagine their higher notes as Arohana, ascending order of swaras, and their lower notes as Avrohana, descending order of swaras in Carnatic music. Their high-pitched notes are peerless. At dawn, when the grey sky turns into mild orange, the zephyr pierces the bamboos, creates flute music, and that perches our cuckoo, hides behind a branch of a tree, starts his divine concert. Mostly, the male will be singing during breeding season, and so we can even hear the replay of the females in between, and sometimes 2 or 3 male birds sing simultaneously, and the competition will become fierce. But we can enjoy the concert. Though we can hear them singing throughout the day, it's tough to spot them. Do you wish to hear him? Come, let's hear him singing. So, how do you like it? Like the other cuckoos, they are the brood parasites. They mostly prefer babblers' nests to lay their eggs. They consume fruits and insects. They love to eat hairy caterpillars. I've seen them gulping down the caterpillars from moringa tree. They are arboreal, and I have never seen them foraging on the ground or eating foods from the feeders. But the chicks that have been raised by the babblers can be seen along with other juveniles on the ground. I believe that the cuckoos are just born to spread love and music across the world, and so they don't take responsibilities like making nests or raising chicks. They just enjoy their life to the fullest. So that's all for today. Hope you like it. I'll meet you with some other interesting bird in my next video. Until then, bye, take care and have a pleasant day.